So in this video, my task is to transcribe one video from Search Academy. So I choose this one for 5 minutes and then I use VTuber to download this video. And after downloading, it will be sent to my files. And I need to use another tool, which is Oris. So this is the tool Oris. I just need to select the file I downloaded earlier. This is the Search Academy sign up guide, Search Marketplace. So we need to click this, and here you can see the transcribe or the transcription of the video. So we just need to read proof this transcribe material, and then we can download it and we can send it to our client.